Hey, hi, my name is vlearn and I'm an English language trainer. This video is a part of a series titled English through IPL medium where we learn English along with some cricket action. So let's learn. Today we're going to learn a phrase, all at sea. The phrase all at sea refers to a confused state and being lost in that confusion. In yesterday's match between Rajasthan and Hyderabad's batting was all at sea against Rajasthan's bowling, which means Hyderabad's batsmen were clueless with what to do against Rajasthan's bowling. They lost 3 wickets before scoring 9 runs and lost the game by a huge margin. That is being all at sea. They were clueless, they were confused, and they lost it. Yes, so the next time when you're confused about something, remember you're all at sea about it.